Today's video feature is a brief overview of handling commercial trucking accident cases. Now, these are very complex cases, and you absolutely have to have a seasoned, experienced professional on your side just to make it fair, because there's so many federal and state regulations on commercial truck drivers as well as commercial trucking companies. And there's always catastrophic loss and or wrongful death. The physics are amazing. You have an 80,000-pound truck traveling at speed going down the interstate or down a roadway versus a single vehicle and its occupants. Well, the single vehicle, whether it's a pickup truck or a car, is always going to lose that calculation, and it results in tremendous injury and or death. There's lots of money on the line. There's lots of coverage, and these cases are extremely hard fought. Commercial trucking companies have some of the best defense lawyers representing their interests, and you've got to take every step to try to balance that playing field. Now, anytime I have a commercial trucking accident case, I focus on the medical side because of my registered nursing background, but I always associate my good friend Michael Goldberg, who is a lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia. He and his firm, they do nothing but trucking accident cases, and it is always a true honor and a privilege to work with him. And he has the credibility and the resources to balance the playing field with the trucking companies. One of my best cases was with him, and it was always amazing how that he would come into the depositions or negotiations at mediations. He always knew the cases backwards and forwards with no notes, but he had the credibility. They knew that if Michael Goldberg went to trial, bad things were going to happen for them. So the cases that I've had with him have all resolved by settlement agreement, and it's always been an absolute privilege to work with him. Now, anytime you have this type of case, you absolutely cannot go in ill-prepared. You cannot go in with an inexperienced lawyer, certainly someone who just typically does auto accident cases. This is a completely different animal, a completely different type of case, and you've got to do everything you can to balance the playing field so that you come out in the best position that you can. Hope it helps.